Hey guys, today we're gonna show you our slimes. So yeah, I'll just wait. Where's my slime? Oh, here it is. Here's my slime. It's super sticky, and it's mine. See there? Super sticky, but it's like sticky at all. Super sticky. Well, we bought this. Hers is not that sticky because her container is big. There's more. I cannot even get it because it's so sticky. Okay.
27, 16, 8, 38, 39, and 3 with a price of
Take to my hands.
910,000 pesos.
It's like had some like and yeah, that's all. It's a Eden glitter slime. Mine is called the melted butter glittery jewelry slime. Yeah. It's also sticky, but not too sticky, like Yeah, it's just like for fun. Yeah. Mine is too cold. Look what you did. Can I have? Okay, I can say it. Oops, it sticks to my head. But it's not gonna be stick because I just stick. Roll. Dab this. She even put more activator for her. I thought that your slime is sticky, but it's not. Because I use sticky glue. She thought my slime is not sticky. But then she said it's sticky because of the sticky glue. Yeah, because I didn't read the sticky thingy. Yeah, the directions. Or yeah, like it's really sticky. That all? It's not. Can we change? No, wait a minute. Please, I'm begging you. Wait, I'm gonna go this back. I let you eat trouble. I let you eat my gummy. Hey guys, check out our gummy video. Vile. Inikman din. Inikman Saturday. Nagbalik na ko din ba? So guys, we're speaking vernacular. You know what's vernacular? Super easy. We practice for like a long time. But then our brother came. Like, I'm so... Oh my gosh! I'm so fancy, and I like my brother. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna play with your phone. I'm gonna play with your camera. Like, stop doing videos in our camera. Like, oh my gosh. Like, so crazy, Guys, super crazy. How many times do we really tell him to not use our camera? Our phone is already here because let's gonna watch our YouTube channel. So she looks pretty in here, guys. Make sure to love her. Make sure to come in her. Make sure to come in her no YouTube channel. Please, guys, watch my YouTube channel, Snowburst. Snowballs is the best part. So, you know, guys, I am... what happened to me, but yeah, I'm like totally... We don't know what we're gonna do, guys. Hey guys, they are following me in Pink Cafe, and oh my gosh, it's not that clear, but guys, make sure to go to Pink Cafe. That's our favorite cafe, and kano sa kanya to? Last time. Me too. Cute picture. See it. Thank you very much. Hey, I'm not pretty. No. Do not ever look at that, guys. I'm not pretty. That's our baby brother, baby CJ. So cute. Yeah, we have a baby sister too called Scarlett. And this is our secret room. It's our secret room. And then this is our pictures, and then more pictures. And also there's a parlor there, guys. You know how much the parlor needs to like OMG. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Stay for learning more stuff, and bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, why is back? Wait. Stood up. Okay, bye.